In this video, I'll show you how to get USDT wallet address on Mexc. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch what I'm going to show you. Now open up your Mexc. When it comes to getting the USDT wallet address, I think there are some other networks you can get it on. So there's the USDT BIP20, ERC20, Tron, and a whole lot of them. So come on to the search, type in USDT. So if you tap on it, wait for it to open up, tap on the deposit. So if you tap on it, you're going to be able to see a whole lot of different options here. Different options from BIP20, ERC20, Solana, Aptos, like a whole lot of them is here. So from here, you can be able to choose the network you want to transact on carefully so as you can be able to get your funds. So this is how I can do this. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you have any question you want to ask me, do write to share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you all in the next video.